Recently, February 22nd, Raptor fighter jet took off from Langley Air Force Base, Virginia, and shot down a Chinese spy balloon with an AIM-9 air-to-air missile over South Carolina. The F-22 Raptor is the world's most capable air superiority fighter jet. As a fifth-generation stealth aircraft, the F-22 packs some incredible technologies and a highly maneuverable supersonic platform. But it is also a very strange aircraft in certain regards. Despite being the best in its role, the Pentagon decided to buy only 186 aircraft out of the intended 750. Furthermore, Congress shut the door to any prospective buyers, forbidding Lockheed Martin, the manufacturer, from ever selling the aircraft abroad. As an air dominance, multi-role fighter, the F-22 was the first fifth-generation stealth fighter jet to fly. It combines advanced technology, such as stealth, sensor fusion to produce superb situational awareness, and an airframe that is highly maneuverable and can supercruise or fly at supersonic speeds without the use of afterburners. What makes the F-22 great in a dogfight is the aircraft's thrust vectoring capabilities. Its two engines have specially designed nozzles at their ends that can move on a vertical plane to vector the aircraft's 70,000 pounds of thrust in one direction even if the aircraft is heading in another, thus allowing the F-22 to do some impressive acrobatics, as well as leverage an extremely high angle of attack during a within-visual range engagement. The F-22 is quite versatile when it comes to the armament it can carry. For a combat air patrol, the Raptor can carry two 9mm Sidewinder heat-seeking air-to-air missiles and six 120mm Myra radar-guided missiles. For close air support or precision strike mission, the F-22 can carry two 1,000-pound GBU-32 JDAMs or 8 250-pound small-diameter bombs, in addition to pairs of both AIM-9s and AIM-120s. In all of these loadouts, the aircraft's M61 220mm cannon with 480 rounds ensures a fearsome foe in dogfights. Equally important, it can carry all the aforementioned munitions within its three internal weapons bays, meaning that the aircraft doesn't sacrifice any stealth to carry all that firepower. In comparison, America's other stealth fighter jet, the F-35, can only carry 4 weapons in its two internal bays. But while utility attracts money, current threats determine utility. And in that regard, the F-22 Raptor must be one of the unluckiest aircraft of all time because, despite its phenomenal capabilities, it came into service at a time when there was no enemy for it to fight, despite the nation having no shortage of enemies. Over the years, Israel, Japan, and Australia had repeatedly asked the Pentagon about potential purchases of the F-22 Raptor, but every time they were shot down. In 1998, Congress even voted for an amendment that explicitly forbids the sale of February 22 Raptors to foreign nations.